What's up everyone, it's Logan from Prosper Real Estate and I'm here to share a little bit of info with you about the process of buying a home. So, let's get right into it. Step 1, decide to buy. Seems pretty obvious, but that is technically the first step in when buying a home. So if you're thinking about buying a home, the first step is decide to buy. Step 2, pick a real estate agent. So when picking an agent, there's a couple things you could do. You could ask other people who you know who they would recommend, or you could go online and see who would be a great fit for you. No matter what, you want to choose a hardworking individual who will hustle to help get your home sold or find you your next home. You also want to choose someone who will help guide you through the process and give you some great advice when necessary. Step 3, get pre-approved. Now to get pre-approved, you must get in contact with a lender, and your real estate agent could help you do this, and the purpose of this is to find out what price home you could really afford and what your monthly payments would be. And to do this, the lender would go over things like income, credit score, debt to income ratio, and they'll gather up all those things and you'll have a pre-approval letter. And this is really important because when you go to find a home and submit an offer, you're going to need that pre-approval letter with your offer to get it accepted. So this is a really crucial step in the home buying process. Step 4, find the right home. So this is the fun part. You and your agent get to shop around, go see different homes in the neighborhood. You can kind of find out what you like, what you don't like. And after you find something that you do really like, you get to move on to step 5. Step 5 is make an offer. So when you're ready to submit an offer on a property, your real estate agent will create an offer package to send over to the listing agent. And in this offer package, it will include the RPA, which is the residential purchase agreement, and this outlines all the details of your offer. The next thing is your pre-approval letter, which your real estate agent will get from your lender, which we already talked about. And the third thing is your proof of funds. And a proof of funds is typically a screenshot of a bank statement, basically just stating that you could afford your down payment. And so once you have these 3 things, your real estate agent will send this over to the listing agent, and next thing to do is cross your fingers. So hopefully you get your offer approved, and if you do, you get to move into step 6, which is open escrow. Now, escrow is a really big, important piece of the home buying process, so I'll be making a whole separate video just on that, but I will just touch on it briefly here. So this is typically what a normal escrow timeline looks like. You got about 30 days until closing, and the first couple weeks is when your inspections take place. So when you submit an offer, it is contingent upon 3 things. Your physical/inspection contingency, and then your appraisal contingency if you're going to get a loan, and your third contingency is your loan contingency, which is pretty much finalizing that pre-approval that we already talked about. And once all those 3 things are good to go and you release all contingencies, you get to move into the very final step, which is closing. Yes, hopefully everything went smoothly. You paid a great price for your new home. Your realtor did a great job helping you out and guiding you through the process. And you get to sign your final docs at the escrow company, get your new keys, and you get to have a new home. And you can't forget about your happy dance. There you have it. I hope you guys learned something new today. Hope you learned a little bit more about the buying process. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can give me a call, shoot me a text. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. And I will catch you guys around for the next one. Peace.